Hello, students. Today we are going to deal with a topic in advanced writing skill of class 12th, that is poster making. The duration of this lesson plan is of 35 minutes. What is poster making? Poster making What is poster? What is it? As you can see, a person is thinking. So posters are part notices and part advertisements. Posters are generally made to spread a social message or create awareness among the general public about some event of common interest. No poster is complete without these 5 points. And these points are: five W's, and these five W's are why, where, which, and when. And the fifth one is who. Now let us discuss the type of posters. Types of posters. Social messages, occasions. For example, drugs, pollution, smoking, disease, road safety. For occasions like fate, a kind of celebration, film, trip, play, seminar. Now, children, what is the difference between a poster of social message and occasion? Social message includes eye-catching slogan to highlight the importance of the message, illustration or picture to enhance the message, closing slogans. Occasion includes all the features of a social message poster, most importantly, date, time, and venue of the occasion. Poster on occasion. Your school is celebrated its annual fete. For the occasion, design a poster highlighting the main attraction of the event. Make it meaningful and attractive with the help of visuals. Let us go through this one. So, how have we designed it? Grand annual fete, come one, come all, and date, time, venue. And after that, a message. Have the time of your life. Poster on social message. An eye donation fortnight is being observed from September 20th through September 27th by the Eye Bank Association of India. In order to increase awareness among children about blindness and eye donation, the association has asked school children to put up posters in your school. Design the poster. See. This is the message: the most precious gift of God and the loveliest of the gifts that you can share, eyes. When the curtain falls for you, let it lift the curtain of darkness from someone's life. Donate your eyes and remain immortal. Give your eyes the chance to see the lovely things, even when your heart fails to beat. Donate your eyes because it is the noblest of all the deeds and kindliest of all action. Issued in public interest by WHO. Poster on social message. To make the children aware of the meanness of drugs, design a poster to highlight the harmful effects of drugs on young lives. Use slogans and visual effects to make it meaningful. This question frequently comes into the CBSE board examination of class 12th. See, drugs, momentary excitement, everlasting disaster, wasted youth, stolen happiness, lost careers, and abrupt to all and were possible. Flee from drugs, it's worse than the worst. Hands the land, your drugs are not helping. Hands, face your today and grow up to be strong sons and daughters. Showed in public interest by WHO. Poster on occasion. Your school is hosting the Virasat series of Speak Make, the Society for Promotion of Indian Classical Music and Culture among Youth, which includes the performances of various classical singers and dancers. Design a poster for the week-long function. C. Invites you to witness Virasat in schools, a Speak Make presentation, date, time, venue. I told you that it is a part of notice and a part of advertisement. Experience the glory of Indian culture. This is the message. Thanks all students, all folks. Get started. It's your turn to show your creativity, and poster is basically designed to show your creativity. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Once again, let's have a recapitulation. Make sure your poster has the 5 W's. Thank you.